Every child loves what bring out the excitement in them while learning at the same time. Children love magic and eager to learn easy yet baffling magic tricks. But then, not all magicians reveal these secrets to their students, and that is why we are here. Welcome to Percolate Magic Mantra Workshop for children between age 7 to 12 years with less student-to-teacher ratio. In this exciting workshop, Magic Mantra will help kids to improve their presentation skills while performing in front of the audience, and will also boost their self-confidence level at the same time. Foster creativity, becomes interesting person, make quick friends, and cultivate socialization and networking skills at an early age. Learn from an expert, become stress buster, fights boredom, away from gizmos, increase concentration and learning speed, and become attention grabber. And in a bit to make it more fun, the workshop will be held on weekends, giving every child ample time to attend at their leisure while learning how to make wand appear from nowhere, light bulb in a magical way, and many more with Magic Kit provided for every kid. Excited already? I am sure your kids will too. So why not visit www.percolate.net.in to get them registered. Hurry! Limited seat available.